Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a filling text animation effect on Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and search for video in this search field here. And now select the first option, which is 1920 by 1080 pixel, and click on it. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Let's add a background image on this template. Go on the left-hand side and click on Elements. And let's search for nature backgrounds here. You can scroll down to see all these images. Let's select this image here. Now go on the template and right-click on this image and click on Set Image as Background. OK. Now go on the left-hand side and click on Text. Add a heading here. And let's write Green Forest. Now let's change the font here. Go up to the top and click on Fonts. You can now choose any font of your choice. Let's select this font here. Now you can increase the font size as per your requirement. Make sure the text is aligned in the center of this template. OK. Now you can select the text and go up on the right-hand side and click on Effects. And select the hollow option here on the left-hand side. You can adjust the thickness here as per your requirement. Let's keep it around 20%. Now you can come down here and click on the play icon here. And play the video for around 2 seconds and then pause it. Now you can right-click on this page here and click on the split page option. OK. Now you can select the second page here and go up to the template and select the text and then go to Effects and on the left-hand side click on None. It means we don't need any effect here. Now you can take your mouse cursor in the center of these two pages and click on Add Transition. And select the line wipe option on the left-hand side and make sure that the duration is around 1 second. Now play the video so you can see the filling text animation effect. See, that was so easy. Now you can download this file as MP4 and use it as per your requirement. You can go up on the top right-hand side and click on Share and scroll down and click on Download. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.